guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about my evening skincare routine. I recently posted a video with my morning skincare routine, and I promised that I would follow up with the evening one. Now, disclaimer, I am not a dermatologist, I am not an esthetician. I simply love skincare. I am passionate about it. I always have been, and I like to educate myself. I love trying new products, and the purpose of these videos is simply just for that, so that I can share my experience with you and just let you know how I feel about these products. So if that sounds like something that you would be interested in, then just please keep on watching, and I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe and hit that notification bell if you're not subscribed already. It would mean a lot to me. Let's just jump into it. Okay, so unlike the morning where I just do one cleanse, in the evening I like to do a double cleanse. And the first thing I use is this Physicians Formula 3-in-1 melting cleansing balm. This retails for about $14. This melts away the makeup. It really cleans all the impurities and leaves my skin feeling really hydrated. It is packed with antioxidants, and it is enriched with matcha, green tea, bamboo root, and lotus extract. It says it is safe for sensitive eyes and contact wearers. It is hypoallergenic, vegan, cruelty-free, paraben, and gluten-free. And I have been really loving this one. I'm actually almost done. It has a beautiful clean scent, and I just simply love the way it makes my skin feel. Then I follow that with the second step cleanser, and this product I've talked about multiple times. It is the Philosophy Purity Made Simple Hydrating Cleanser. This is, it hydrates as it melts away makeup, has natural oil extracts to help condition skin. It is fragrance free, although I find it has this beautiful luxurious scent that I love. It leaves my skin feeling hydrated and non-stripped. Then I follow that with a toner, and the one that I use at night is this hydrating toner from Lancome. This one is has a beautiful like rose scent, so if that's not something that you're into, then you may not like this product, but I love the scent. I love the fact that this is almost like a essence slash toner, because it is so hydrating. This one has, the key ingredients are acacia honey for soothing, sweet almond oil for moisture, and hyaluronic acid for hydration. I love this product. I've been using it for a couple of years now, and it is my favorite toner, especially in the winter months when my skin needs the extra hydration. Then after that, I go in with something to treat my my dark spots, the Melasma, and this is a product that I use every single night. You will see later on that I use other serums but I alternate. This one I use consistently every single night because it is like my main concern. So this one is from the Inkey list. It is their Tranexamic acid night treatment. And I don't think I've been giving you prices, but this one retails for about $15. Like I said, it helps reduce hyperpigmentation or melasma, dark spots. It helps with dullness and uneven texture. It has 2% tranexamic acid, 2% acai berry extract, which helps promote an even skin tone. Has 2% vitamin C derivatives, which helps to brighten skin tone and repair damaged skin cells. I've been using it for a while. I'm almost done with this bottle. I have seen some improvement, but with dark spots, it's very tricky, and especially now at the end of the summer. You know, I went to the beach, I was out a lot, and so you know, the progress that I had made over the winter kind of took a step back in the summer. But you know, with dark spots and melasma, that's the thing, you always have to be treating it. It's not something that you can treat for a while and then stop. It's an ongoing thing. But I like that this seems to be working. It's so affordable, and it's a serum that it's very easily absorbed. It has no scent at all. And I don't know, I like it. So far the products I've tried from the Inkey list have been really, really good. So while the serum that I just applied sinks into the skin, then I move to the eyes, and then I'll go in with the serum at that point. In the morning I apply a vitamin C serum, and at night I'd like to go in with a retinoid serum. This one that I've been using is from the Inkey list. It's their Retinol eye cream. This retails for about $10. It has vitamin A, which helps reduce the visible signs of aging. It is formulated with stabilized retinoid compound with a slow release formula that helps to avoid irritation that's usually associated with retinoids. So then I just kind of push this in, tap it in with the ring finger as I'm showing the video. I've been using this for a while. I'm almost through with it. I find that it has been making a difference, especially I can tell when I smile. The lines that would form here are not as visible anymore, and I attribute it to this. This, I think, along with the vitamin C that I've implemented, I think the combo is working really, really well. I then at this point move back to the face while I let the serum sink in the eyes. So I split my serums. I have 4 different things that I use. So on one night I will apply 2 serums, and then the other night I will apply the other 2, and then just keep alternating. That is just so that I don't have 4 different serums that I apply in one given night. So on night number 1, I go in with the Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. This is salicylic acid. This retails for about $29. This helps unclog and shrink enlarged pores. It helps smooth and even skin tone. It is a gentle leave-on exfoliant, like I said, with salicylic acid that works on the dermis, which is the deeper layers of the skin. Then after I've allowed a couple of seconds, like 30 seconds for this to absorb, then I go in with Niacinamide, and the one I've been using is from The Ordinary. It is 10% and Zinc 1%. This retails for about $6. This is vitamin B3, which helps reduce the appearance of skin blemishes and congestion. It has a high 10% concentration of vitamin C. It is supported in the formula by Zinc PCA to balance visible specks of sebum activity. So it helps with the production of oils, which is what causes the enlarged pores. And I do, even though I do have dry skin, my T-zone here, especially this area here, I do produce quite a bit of oil, and so that causes my pores to continuously get enlarged. Now on night number 2, I go in with Buffet plus Copper Peptides. This retails for about $29. It is Copper Peptides 1%. This is a multi-technology peptide serum that targets various signs of aging. The copper peptide, implementing it into skincare helps boost the depleting levels of collagen and elastin. It helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Also, copper peptides acts as an antioxidant, which helps to reduce inflammation and minimizes breakouts. I then follow that serum with a retinoid. Recently, I have been using this one from Sunday Riley. It is Sunday Riley A+ high dose retinoid serum. Now, this is a very pricey product. It retails for about $122, but I got it on sale, like 70% off, and I'll tell you about that in a different video. But spoiler, something to do with the boxy something. I've done videos like that before, so this is the only reason why I'm using this. I would never pay $122. I don't think you need to, break the bank to have, good quality skincare. But this is a luxurious serum. It is very high dose, so it is recommended. This is 6 0.5% concentration. So it is recommended that if you're not used to retinoids, that you start off by using it 2 nights on, 2 nights off, and then work your way up to every other night until your skin can handle every night, if that's what you choose to do. Before this one, I was using and loving, and I finished it, something similar, another retinoid product, but in a much lower concentration. This one is from The Ordinary, and this one has a 2% concentration, which is what I would recommend you start off if you're just introducing retinoids into your skincare routine. This is incredibly affordable. It is The Ordinary. This retails for about $10. And retinoid is the active ingredient. Like I said, this formulation helps to avoid the irritation associated with retinoids. Again, because it's in such a small concentration. So this is a great option, not only because of the price point, but also if you are just starting out and you want to avoid that possible irritation. So now that I'm done with the serums, I go back to the eyes, and the eye cream that I use at night is the Believe Believe Moisturizing Eye Balm. This is a little bit pricey. It retails for $48. I've been using it for a while. I love it. It's so hydrating, so emollient. It is pricey, but I think it's worth every penny. This one provides intense moisture for up to 26 hours. It's formulated with hydrating herb, comedy leaf, and elasticity boosting pennywort herb. Helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and I can vouch for it. It provides an incredible amount of hydration. Love this product, highly recommend it. Then after that, I finish up with a moisturizer, and the one that I use at night is this one from IT Cosmetics, Confidence in a Cream. This retails for about $49. This has ceramides, which help support the skin barrier. It has peptides, which help support natural collagen, makes the skin look smoother, firmer, and it has hyaluronic acid. And it has hyaluronic acid, which locks in moisture and supports skin elasticity. And then the final thing is this lip mask from Lancome. This retails for about $22. And this is just a very rich, very thick cream, very much like this moisturizer, super thick. This one won Allure's Best Beauty Award winner. It is enriched with vitamin C and antioxidants. It has a berry mix complex, raspberry, strawberry, cranberry, and blueberry extracts. It has hyaluronic acid and minerals to form a protective film over the lips. Simply love this stuff, have been using it for years. Okay folks, well that completes this video. That is my skincare. Please let me know if you have any questions regarding any of these products. Like I said before, I'm not a dermatologist, I'm not an esthetician. I am a skincare enthusiast. I love skincare. I love to learn. Let me know down below if you enjoyed this video, what you would want to see me film next. Other than that, I hope you have a great day. Thank you for joining me today, and I will see you on my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.